What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video, man. Back at it in the truck. I ain't get loaded yet. Still headed up there to get a load. You know, man, we just grinding. I know I ain't been posting the last couple days. My truck been in the shop, so I've been off work for a little minute. Probably still gonna be like off work tomorrow. But I think I'm gonna finally go ahead and test drive my dream car tomorrow, so that'll be another video that we can discuss. But yeah, man, this is video, man. We just talking about how trucking changed my life for the better, honestly. I know I already discussed it on like a few videos ago, but I'm gonna just go over it again for like people that's new and stuff like that. So yeah, but basically, I always like thought truck driving was like pretty cool since a kid. Like I always been in the trucks, cars, and all of that. Seeing the big trucks go by, having them honk the horn, all of that stuff go by. So, but I never thought I'd be a truck driver my actual self. Like I respect what they do. Like, you know, truck drivers, like, I definitely respected what they do. But I never thought about becoming one, honestly, until I guess my cousin became a truck driver. And then once I saw him, like, become a truck driver, his life just changed. Like, for the better, honestly. Like, you know, newer car, stuff like that. A decent place to live now, and all of that going on. So that kind of made me want to like, okay, well maybe this is something I could get into. I still ain't do it that year. I waited actually like a few years, like right, I think during the time COVID hit. That's when I made my mind up that I wanted to be a truck driver. So I was working this I was doing like over the phone calls and stuff like that. I was working from home, doing that. But the internet was so bad at my pop's house that I couldn't even, you know, do my job. So unfortunately, they ended up firing me. And then I was like, man, I'm just tired of like, you know, kind of like living check to check, honestly. Check to check, can't really go out, afford clothes, nice things, you know. Shoes, stuff like that. I mean, even though those are like wants, but like, you know, you just kind of want to like enjoy life a little bit, and I wasn't able to do that, honestly. So I was just always in the house or, you know, hanging out with my dad because it's always free with him. So, but that made me like just want to change, and like, you know, basically like go to that next level, because like, I don't know, like once I got out of high school, I was like lost. I didn't know what I wanted to do. Everybody going off to college, venturing off, finding what they wanted to do and stuff like that. I really didn't know what I wanted to do at all. But I found like during that COVID time, I found like, okay, I was like, I'm just gonna get into this. I really didn't want to do it, actually. I still, you know, don't like really trucking, honestly. I kind of always knew I didn't want to do it. I just like the respect of it and like, you know, seeing the cool trucks pass by. But I never wanted to get into trucking. And but I got into it anyway because I figured that, you know, it's quick to get your license and stuff. All you gotta do is learn how to drive the manual transmission, and then it'll be better for me, you know, to, you know what I'm saying, just advance in life, you know, get to that next step. So I got my went to school for a bit, graduated early, got my CDL, got on the road with Snyder, Dave Snyder, for about like 8 months, 6 months, and then I didn't like over the road. I come to find out I didn't like regional over the road, didn't like the 32-hour reset, none of that. So I wanted to be local. Got this job with Central Transport, was working there for about, I want to say almost 2 years, but they wasn't paying anything. I was still kind of like stuck at that pay. Like, you know, when you like get your CDL, you think everybody making all of this money. So that's what I thought. Like, where's the money at? And it didn't show with Snyder or that local job that I had. Like, those jobs didn't show up. So, long story short, the terminal manager came in with the Central Transport. Say we won't be getting a raise until I guess they like cut costs somehow, do something like that. So I was like, okay, cool. Well, my mind made up now that I'm finna leave and, find something else to do. So, long story short, got my hazmat tanker endorsement. And then I went to this tanker company. It's like a local tanker company in my city. Went to them, back over the road. Didn't want to do it, but I knew it paid good, over the road wise. So I went and did that. It was like $1,500-$1,600 checks. That was cool, but I really just don't like being over the road. I wanted something local, like where I can still, like, you know what I'm saying? Like it had to just be LTL, or it could have been anything. I just wanted to make a little bit that kind of money at home. I knew it wasn't gonna be as much as that, but at least like something close to that. So I was still like off work for a minute, kind of fell behind on bills and stuff, because I was just thinking like, man, I'm just tired of working and getting nowhere. So I quit the tanker job, and then was off for like a few months, 6 months, 8 months. I couldn't find a job. Like, nobody was hiring, actually. I did a whole bunch of interviews and stuff, but nobody wasn't hiring. So I was like forced to like get a regular job, do something else in the meantime, and then lost my apartment and all of that stuff happened because I was behind on bills. So I took a moment, had to move in with my sister for a little minute, and then I just now got this job where I'm at like a year ago. Yeah, it's been a year exactly ago. So got this job, moved out my sister's place, and even though I don't like truck driving, it still pays my bills, and it got me way ahead of life than what I was at currently. So sometimes what I'm saying is sometimes you will be able to be forced to do things that you really don't want to do at all. But what I'm getting at is sometimes you'll be able to, you have to do things that you really don't want to do in life, just so you can like get by or get to that next level. Cause even I don't like truck driving, but I know this job pays my bills really well. You know what I'm saying? I got a nice apartment now, furnished and all of that. So got a newer car, and I'm able to afford clothes and stuff now and then and stuff like that. So even though I don't want to do it, but I still doing it. I'm just trying to tell you, like, sometimes in life we have to do things that we really don't want to do. We want to focus on ourselves and do what we want to do. But sometimes life doesn't work like that. Sometimes you just gotta chin up, suck it up, and do the stuff that you want to do. Like, you may be good at something, but you don't like doing it. That's how I feel about truck driving. Like, I'm good at backing and all of this and that, but I don't like doing it. And you know what I'm saying? Some people are like that. Like, where they good at stuff in life, like they got a special skill and all of that, but they just don't like doing it. So even though you like love to do certain else, like I'm into like tech, computers and stuff like that, like software engineering and all of that. But it was hard to find a job in that field, and I couldn't I could have went to college, but like it wasn't gonna work with the work schedule I had. So it was like I needed money like right then and there. So I couldn't really just sit down and like focus on college and go to school for that. But what I'm saying is like we got these things that we love to do in life and that we want to do, but we can't do sometimes. Sometimes we got to do the things that we actually good at, actually good skill that we have, that we don't want to do. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, sometimes in life, you just gotta suck it up and do the stuff that you don't want to do, like, just to get by or just to do this. Not saying that you should stop your passion on what else you want to do. You can always, like, invest in yourself and, you know, go to school for that. Like me, I'm about to go to school now for that, and, you know, try to expand and do what I actually want to do. So that's what I'm trying to get at right here. Is that, like, you can get to that point, like, but sometimes in the moment when you know you like in knee deep in like water and stuff like that, like stuff going bad, and you got a skill, you don't want to do it at all, like you kind of hate it. You just gotta do it. Like, you may hate your job, but you still gotta show up to work every day and give it your 110%. You know what I'm saying? Because you know that's the only job you got right now, and the job market is hard. It's really hard to get a job. Like, so, and you can't, like, quit or nothing like that, because you know how hard it is to get another job again. I had to learn that on my own as well. So, yeah, man, sometimes you just got to suck it up in the moment and just, you know, do what you got to do. In the meantime, until you advance. Then once you advance, you can actually do the stuff that you love to do. And, you know what I'm saying, turn that, you know, into your job. You know what I'm saying? Then you'll actually like to do it. You actually waking up looking forward for the next day and stuff like that. But this just for all the people, like, in the meantime, just, you know, just, I know you don't want to do it, just, like, do it. In the meantime, I know you don't want to do certain things, but you can, you know, just go ahead and do it for right now. And then once you get settled and everything, you know, the water's gone, you can do what you love to do in life. That's all I wanted to say. But yeah, we still on our way. I'm in Mississippi, but we're still on our way up there to get loaded. I got a late start today. I got this weekend off, so I'm gonna see this Mustang tomorrow. I think that Chevy SS I was looking at sold, so probably not gonna be able to test drive it no more. I don't know, I just been getting this like weird feeling, like I ain't want to go to the car lot and be pressured to buy the car, because I know how it go. So I just ain't want to go up there, and, you know what I'm saying, because I know this is gonna make me like want the car even more too, like, you know what I'm saying, like, even though I felt that pressure, like, I probably would have still, like, signed just so I can, like, get that car that day. Because I know, like, once I see it and touch it and stuff, I'm going to want to get it that day. But I'm just wait. Still got to stack up a little bit more and stuff like that. But, yeah, I'm going to get that test drive the car tomorrow. Today we just working. Look like it's gonna be a rainy, cloudy day. Kind of hate that it's not raining right now. Hopefully it holds off at least till I get back home, because I do not like driving. Damn, I do not like driving in the rain at all. But you know, sometimes it is what it is. So still got a little ways to go. I'll keep y'all updated though. I just want to have a touch on this subject, like. Yeah, man, sometimes you just gotta be stuck, you know, doing stuff that you don't want to do, that you're actually good at, but you don't want to do it. So just stay down right now, and then, you know what I'm saying, you'll get your turn to do what you actually like to do in life, and everything work out for the better. Just know that you don't have to stay in that same position forever. This may be for the person that's, you know, just got their CDL, they don't want to be over the road, and, you know, these local jobs require you to have like a year experience or even more. So you can just stay down, just do that year, and like a year now goes by quick. Like, it's already April, so before you know it, it'll be December before you know it. So yeah, man, just keep going. Like, you'll find out and you'll get there. Don't let it Don't let it stop you. Don't let none of the feelings stop you or none of that. You gotta just stay strong. Keep doing your job. Do what you're supposed to do. You know, everything gonna get better sooner or later. You know what I'm saying? You'll wake up one day, you'll have everything you want in life, or you'll be fine. Everything gonna be okay, you know what I'm saying? So I just had to come on here, you know, because I kind of needed that talk myself, honestly. Because I've been thinking about quitting my job and, you know what I'm saying, just starting doing what I wanted to do. But I can't right now, so I gotta just chill. But yeah, I just had to come on here and say that. Yeah, I still got like an hour and like some change to go. And then we gotta do like another 3 hours back. So yeah, I kind of got like a real late start today. I don't know, I ain't want to get out of the bed today. I was off yesterday and I sat around the house. I was just like tired. Like, I don't know, I just did not want to get out of the bed at all. So yeah, but we on our way. I gotta pass the truck, but the truck going slow. These cars don't want to let you over. Like when you start truck driving, like sometimes these cars will not let you over at all. I mean, you got a couple nice ones, but most of these cars like don't give a fuck that you gotta get over at all. Like they'll literally sit there right beside you. Sometimes I gotta like inch in their lane a little bit, like just, you know what I'm saying, like tell them like, you know, either slow down or speed up when, you know what I'm saying, like don't just sit like right beside me. I don't like that at all. You know what I'm saying? Especially like you right by the truck and stuff, like you in my blind spot, I can't really see you, so like go on, get on. Cause I be wanna, you know what I'm saying, like slow trucks be passed, like I gotta pass them and stuff like that. They be in the way, and I can't pass, so I be trying to tell them cars like they either gotta slow down or speed up. So I gotta just, so I think I told y'all what I delivered is wood pellets. These wood pellets go overseas, and like overseas people like use it to keep their lights on and stuff like that, and all of that in India. So that's what I'm doing right now. Yeah, man, just working, just non-stop working. But we here though, man. If y'all got any questions on how to get into trucking or any type of questions, I damn near did it all. LTL, tanker, drive-in, regional, OTR, everything besides reefer, honestly. So if y'all got any questions, let me know, man.